Now let's take the next topic, which is probability. What is probability? We really have a good idea of what probability is, right? It's simply the chance that something may happen. Now, there is really an easy way to explain probability. Practically everyone uses it. All you have to do is flip a coin. There is 1/2 chance of the coin facing head up. So, the probability of getting a head up on the coin is 50% or half. Now, why learn about probability? By learning about probability, we will be able to find the probability or the chance that an event can happen. Now, how to solve sums on probability? Probability can be defined as number of favorable or desirable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Example, if a die is rolled, find the probability of getting 2 on the die. Here, the desirable or the favorable outcome is getting 2 on the die. That is one possibility. Now, the total number of outcomes are, we can have any numbers from 1 to 6. So, there are 6 outcomes. So, probability of getting 2 on the die will be number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, that is 1/6. Now, before moving ahead to actually solve the problems on this topic, let us understand some terms used in probability.